A1 English listening. My favorite music. Audio 1. Yuki's music preferences.
Hi. My name is Yuki, and I love music. My favorite types of music are pop, rock, and hip hop because they are fun. I don't like heavy metal because it is noisy. I also don't like classical music because I think it is dull. I can't play any musical instruments, but I can sing very well. I would like to learn to play the piano one day. My friend Juan says he can teach me. I think music is a wonderful way to relax and have fun.
Audio 2. Juan's music preferences.
Hi. My name is Juan, and making music is one of my favorite hobbies. I can play the guitar and the piano very well. I can also write and record songs. My favorite types of music are rock, jazz, and classical music. I love rock because it is fun. I like jazz because it is pleasant. I enjoy classical music because it is relaxing and peaceful. I don't like pop or country music. I think they are horrible and unpleasant. Music is one of my passions, and I really enjoy playing and sharing my music with my friends and family.
Now, it's your turn. 1. What music do you like and dislike? 2. Can you play an instrument?